finish your day off-roading, you want to ensure you get your tyres back up to 40 psi or whatever your recommended tyre pressure is. We're going to use the Mean Mother air compressor here. The Mean Mother air compressor comes with a handy little remote control for on-off ease. An accessory you can get for it is the bypass controller. The bypass valve allows you to shut the air off to the tyre so you can accurately read your pressure while pumping up the tyre without having to turn off the pump, saving you time and getting you back out on the road quicker. Just going to check the pressure now. So I'll disengage the handle of the bypass valve. I'm still only at 32 psi, so let's continue airing up the tyres.